5:48 clean, and his fastest run of the day. 36:548 for Jamal. Gurney out on course. Mark about to chase him down in that AMG. Oh, Gurney getting all he can out of that Tesla. Wheeling 36,781. Not an improvement. Little slower for Dan Gurney. No, that is his best. Okay, 2/10. 36 tenth and a half or so. Good job, Dan. He's got his windows up, AC on.
Yeah, that's